सुप्रभात सभी को। आज साइंस डे के अंतर्गत मैं एक साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट करने जा रहा हूँ। यहाँ मैंने लिया है थोड़ा टर्मरिक पाउडर और यहाँ है डिटर्जेंट और यहाँ थोड़ा लेमन जूस। अब हम एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे। हम इस टर्मरिक को पेस्ट बना लेंगे। थोड़ा पानी, अब हम इसे इस पेपर में लगाएंगे। अब हम इसे थोड़ा सूखने के लिए रख देंगे और इसको भी पेस्ट बना लेंगे। अब हम इसमें लेमन जूस लगाएंगे। लेमन जूस लगाने के बाद भी इसका कलर चेंज नहीं हुआ। पहले भी येलो था, अब भी येलो है। अब हम डिटर्जेंट लगाएंगे। डिटर्जेंट लगाने से इसका कलर चेंज हो गया।
Good morning, all of you. I am Rifa Tamanna of 3rd Standard from Kendriya Vidyalaya Panbari. We all know 28th of February is National Science Day. I want to offer best wishes to you. Today I am going to perform an experiment. Please observe my experiment. For this experiment, I arrange the requirements. Those are 2 glasses of water, some common salts, 2 potatoes of same size. Now, let's start our experiment. Now I am going to taking a potato and putting it in a glass. See, it is sinking. For this normal water, I will add some salt. Now, I will mix the salt till the salt dissolve completely. Now I'm taking this potato and putting it into this glass.
Air has pressure. We are going to show that air has pressure. We have one bottle of water. A thin pipe is attached with the bottle. When the cap of the bottle is tightly attached with the bottle, then the water does not flow through the pipe. But when the cap of the bottle is taken off the bottle, then the water flows through the pipe. From this experiment, we come to know that the water flows through the pipe only when the water gets pressure from the air. It shows that air has pressure. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Scientific lesson. I am going to describe about the scientific experiment. The name of the experiment is magnetic power. First you need a comb and some pieces of papers. Then you need to comb your hair with the comb again and again. Then bring the comb near the pieces of papers. Now you can see that the comb attracts the pieces of paper because the comb